We're here again at Integrate Middle East, and I'm joined by Azin from Pixojam Virtual Production to talk about this wonderful XR setup. Now, the XR market is growing massively across the globe. We're seeing so many different use cases now, especially after the recent health situation. So, what is the current state of the XR market in the Middle East? What is happening here?
Well, basically it started very slow at the beginning, but our main target at the beginning at Pixojam was to bring the awareness about the whole system and how it can be integrated for the different industries in terms of the filming, broadcast, and so on. So since the last 2 years, I think we achieved quite well in terms of having introducing the system to the market along with the other people like Absen, for instance, and we started seeing that the increase in terms of the interest from the producers' point of view, the productions, the products, mainly I'm talking about the commercials, because they see the value in terms of the sustainability, in terms of the investment that they will have and the quality of the work that they will get. So yeah, it's very promising at the moment, growing very fast.
Absolutely, and it's very interesting to see how XR is changing too, because it's not just your regular broadcast market that's adopting this technology.
No.
It's even moving into the corporate space and the education, the healthcare space. I mean, that's quite interesting, isn't it? Because there's some serious growth going on here.
It is, and then the list that you mentioned is not going to end up there. So we have, like, for example, lots of interest in the real estates. We do work with the developers that are working on the projects in the future, and they wanted to showcase to the stakeholders, to the buyers, and it helps a lot in terms of how they can see the future of their projects. Yeah, that's correct. It helps with the education system, it helps with the healthcare system, absolutely. Yeah.
And we've got to talk about this incredible setup that you've got here. This is a showstopper. This is bringing crowds all day long. Tell me about this XR setup that you've got here. What can we see?
You see the portion of Pixojam virtual production in Dubai. So we started the company 2 years ago. And we are providing the services in terms of virtual production direct to our clients, along with providing the consultation services for whoever wants to integrate the system, and education, R&D, and so on. So yeah, this is the portion of our projects at Pixojam. We're showcasing the virtual production and how does it work and why virtual production. Our target is to talk about the sustainability, the cutting edge in terms of the use of the technology of gaming with the Unreal Engine, and we are utilizing the LED screens that have been specifically designed for the virtual production. So there is a difference that generally that the LED manufacturers producing their products than what we are required for the filming. In terms of high refresh rate and low scan ratio and so on. So yeah, we teamed up with Absen on these products, and we're showcasing their LEDs as well.
Of course, so it seems like it's not just about showcasing, but it's also about education of the market as well.
Absolutely. What we wanted earlier, they were talking about changing the lighting, VFX and camera and so on. So these are that the producers in the market, they need to understand how they can utilize this XR solution for the films, maybe.
Of course, and you've partnered with Absen for this incredible setup here. Why did you go for Absen? What gave them the edge?
Well, it's the product itself. So Absen is producing the new LEDs that is matching with what requires for the filming with the cameras like Sony Venice 2. These are the feature cameras, and we needed to reach to that high specs that for example, we don't see the artifacts, we don't see the flickers on the LEDs while we are filming, and we were being very satisfied with the product, so we decided to have the show with them as well.
Well, it seems to me that this is going to be attracting crowds all day long, and you've really built a showstopper here. Azin, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.